Hey you guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers, Blowers, and Guns. That's right, I've just been going a little bit crazy these days on new sights for my guns because this is my Smith & Wesson 1522 MNP 22 long rifle blinker. It was black when I first bought it, but then recently I got a gun wrap from gunwraps.com and I wrapped it into this camouflage color. It's okay. I'm gonna keep it on for a little while, at least until I go to the range and shoot it. Anyway, so I had a Monstrum Prism scope 3 times on here. I got rid of it. I kind of wanted something cooler, you know what I mean? So you know what I bought? I always wanted one of those EOTech EXPSs. Those things are like $800. I also thought about getting one of those Vortex AMG UH-1s, you know, those holographic reflex sights. That's also like $800. I also wanted a Leupold LCO, Leupold Carbine Optic. That's also like $1,000. That was like the hottest scope for a while. You don't see too many people have it, but it's really expensive, but it looks so cool. So you know what I figured? I was gonna try one of those clones. You can buy the clone ones on eBay. I wanted the Leupold LCO most, and so I actually emailed a bunch of those eBay sellers. In their picture, it shows the Leupold without the logo, the wording Leupold on it. Well, I want the Leupold. I want the words. So I actually emailed a few of them and said, hey, does yours have the name on it? Like the logo Leupold on it? And only 1 out of like 5 guys responded back and says, yeah, we got the logo. And I says, I'll order it. It was about 55 bucks with tax, like 60 bucks shipped to my house. It's a clone made in China, but it looks so sweet. And I figured it's probably not gonna hold zero on a real firearm. But this is just a 22 long rifle. It's a plinker. It has hardly any recoil whatsoever. So to have it, a Leupold LCO on here, it would look super cool. Everybody would think that I would have like $1,000 optic, you know, when in reality, I only paid 60 bucks. A few years ago, this thing was only like 40 bucks. But I was glad to get one, and we're gonna unbox it right now and show you exactly what 60 bucks bought me. So here we go. I got this in the mail just yesterday. I've been dying to open it, but I wanted to do a video on it first, right? So like I said, 60 bucks on eBay. Comes with this nice plastic case. Has good weight to it already. I don't know if that's good or bad because you don't really want that much weight on your gun, right? I put this battery in here. This is a CR123A battery. This is my own battery. It did not come with it, okay? They do have some that do come with it, but you're not sure if they have the letters on it, you know? Silica gel, adjustment key, and that's how it came right here. And it's labeled LCO red dot sight. SOTAC. So it comes sealed in this package, see? You gotta break it open. Some of these clones are so good that you can't even really tell the difference, at least to the layperson. So here it is. Here's the Leupold LCO. Wow. I mean, it really feels like it's good quality. Elevation and windage settings. Look at that glass. I mean, that just looks fantastic, doesn't it? Let's insert the battery. You put it this way or that way? Only one way to find out. That doesn't seem like it's right. Okay guys, it's installed lickety split. I put the battery in, I had it in the wrong way. Take a look at that. Is that shit sharp or what? That shit looks badass. I don't even care if it works. It just looks badass. That's badass looking, man. Really sharp. Even the top logo there. And when you look through it, can you see the red dot? I pointed it at the brown cushion so you could see it. You can see it. This dial here, you turn it a little bit and it becomes the lightest green. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you see that? I can't see that. It's supposed to be green. And if you turn it back to red again, I still can't see it. All right, can you see it now? Yeah, that's the highest intensity of the red dot. Turn it again, and it becomes light green. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can't see the green much. 8, I can kind of see it now. 9. Then it's the lightest red. And now the more prominent red. And that's the highest in the red. You can kind of see it now as I back away. So it's not very prominent. You can't see it too well in the daytime, but at night I'm sure you could see it pretty well. You can barely see the green at all, but it looks fantastic. This dial over here, it kind of jiggles. See, you can just tell that it's not really made well. So you push this button in 3 seconds and turns on. Turn it, push it back in, hold it for 3 seconds and it turns off. The red dot is a lot more prominent when you're indoors. Obviously, I'm not at the range, so I'm not going to be able to sight this in until I'm actually at the range and turning the windage and elevation settings, the adjustments. If you look at this, if you just take your fingernail, you can mark it. Even with your skin, if you just touch it, you'll see like skin marks on it. But, I mean, it looks like it's very good quality, and it looks badass to me. I really like it. Like I said, 3 or 4 years ago, this thing this could be had for 40 bucks, 45 bucks. But now the prices have gone up, but then again, the prices have gone up on everything, you know? But, you know, for a plinker, this is okay. If it holds 0, that's an extra bonus for me. I'm pretty sure it will because it's 22. There's no recoil on it, you know? And it seems solid on here. I simply tightened it with a screwdriver. And I think it looks badass. What do you guys think? Leave it in the comments. You know, I didn't think I would buy a clone, you know, a copy for my real guns, you know, for airsoft or just for fun, just for the look of it is okay, you know, just for fun. But I don't know, I had to have it. It looks great. You guys could find this on eBay if you just type in the search LCO red dot. Just type those words in, LCO red dot, and you'll see all kinds of Leupold ones, but you know, they show that it doesn't have the Leupold here. It doesn't say the words Leupold, nor does it have the L on the top there. You have to actually look at their listing and see. Sometimes they have a picture that says have logo or has logo on it. If it has a logo on it, more than likely it'll have that. But that's pretty cool, man. I really like it. It looks great. So like I said, fellas, this is just for fun, but that's what a 22 long rifle plinker is. It's just for fun. Don't take too much, don't be too serious with it. I got it because it looks cool. And it gives the appearance that I've got a major investment here, but in reality, like I said, 60 bucks. Hey, if it holds 0 and allows me to shoot targets with a 22 cleanly and decent groupings, you know, there are There are $20 red dots out there that'll hold 0, you know. As long as you can shoot a target and have fun with it, it's really what it's all about, isn't it? But yeah, a clone. Don't tell anybody. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers and Guns.